Don't make me stall, game. Mm-mm. There you are. Finally. Crazy eyes McGee over here. I'm back. The penguins and the blue-footed boobies were having a contest. They didn't really like each other, but things are fine now. Yes, yes, well done, Burb. Now the note. Oh, okay. Yeah, he's super sus. Super sus. Yes, yes. So close, I can almost taste it. Soon I can finally rid the world of the songbird once and for all. And then I will be the only one with mastery of the power of music. See? And the forest will once again know order by my wings. Owl, sir? What are these things doing? Well, Burb, they're just... Wait, what is going on? That's not supposed to happen. I should be the only candidate. Mm-hmm. Burb. Oh, he's angry. Tell me, how do you feel? Any giddiness? Nausea? Heartburn, indigestion? Upset stomach? Diarrhea? You should take Pepto-Bismol. Hashtag not sponsored. I think I feel fine. I do feel like singing, though. But that could only mean... Of course. Why did I not realize it before? I was blinded by my excitement. Owl? What's going on? You're scaring me. Burb. I found the answer. I know what your species is now. You do? But why are you speaking like that? The only ones who have mastered the power of music are also the ones who can effortlessly sing like every bird in the forest. The wretched, obnoxious, arrogant, scum of the forest. Oh. Songbirds. Oh, he real angry. Species responsible for turning the forest birds into lazy good-for-nothings, using their powers to help out, but all they do is just overindulge everybody else, and performing for them every other day. Thanks, Shani, for contributing your points. Such a wasteful use of that power. It's borderline abuse. I should be the one who wields that power. I'm the one equipped with the wisdom. And so, I will finish what I started. Oh! I take picture. I'm gonna use that. I will rid this world of you, just like I did to the rest of your kind. You won't be leaving here alive. Ah! Oh, it does. He just threw music at me. We're saved. Egbert! That was bright. Yeah. I'm awake now. Egbert? Egbert! Oh no. No. No, don't cry. No. Oh, hi. Worry not. He is still alive. Where are we? What happened? Jesus Christ. You're in the grand undergrowth. The nest of the bowerbirds. You should be resting. You are quite injured. Or at least, that's what the masked bird told me. The masked bird? Indeed. The masked bird brought you here, and told me to take care of the both of you. If you don't mind me asking, what's a little chick like you doing with an egg? You mean Egbert? We met at the Gallus Palace. He was being picked on by the other chickens. He offered to help me find my parents. We've been together ever since, exploring the forest. Is he going to be okay? He is indeed still alive, but he is weakened. I do not know when or if he will ever wake up. No. Is there anything you can do for him? I'll do anything. Oh, don't worry, young Burb. I intend to do my very best to wake him. But I will need your help. Meet me outside once you're ready. I'll tell you more. Egbert! No! I do dance for you. I groove. I do the dancing for you. I will rescue you, Egbert. You will be saved. Hi, I'm here. Oh, this place is cool. There are a list of things we'll need. Lucky for you, us bowerbirds like to collect things in our bowers. So I already have all the things we need, except for blue flowers. Blue flower, red thorns. Blue flower, red thorns. This would help so much if I wasn't colorblind. I hope y'all know what that was from. Can you help me get some? I'll stay here and keep an eye on him while making the other preparations. I watched that movie obsessively when I was younger. It's bad. That and Emperor's New Groove. They're cute. Wait, are you? Psst. Psst. Hey, kid. Me? Yeah, you. You want to know the secret? A secret? Not a secret. The secret. The secret art of seduction. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're gonna teach a kid the art of seduction? Excuse you? Just look at how many ladies I've got. Sure. Heh, of course you do. But I ain't telling. Now run off and get your blue flowers. Yes, I know you're trying to find them. There's one to the east of here. All the way at the end in a maze. Thanks. Thank God. I was like, oh, please do not teach a child the art of seduction. Thank you. It is a maze. Oh, frick. Alright. But I want to make sure I find all the secrets. All the secrets. Sweet. Great. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there. So cute. Okay. Nailed it. Wait. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. More puzzles. Oh. Yeah, I done fucked up. It's fine. We got this. Reset. Okay. Okay. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Step on that. Nailed it. Itchy. All right. Oh, it's the blue flower. There's 6 things I need here. Fuck. All right. Oh, can't. Mm. Oh, right. Okay. Wait. Oh. There's another blue flower? But I only needed... Oh, m'lady. Do you know where I can find some blue flowers? Flowers, huh? Well, kid, trust me when I say flowers are overrated. The true way to a lady's heart is to treat her right. But if you still really want to find the blue flowers, there's one in the area right behind me and one in the area in front of me. Good luck. Thanks. M'lady. I hate it. I hate that he says m'lady. Oh. Back already? But you haven't found all the flowers yet. Come back once you've got the flowers. Oh, well, shit. I. Oops. Yeah, no, that's what I wanted. I wanted that. Mm. Ooh woo. Ooh woo. Um. A tick. I'm stuck. Okay, I see. I see it. Oh, it didn't. Oh, it didn't reset the box, but it reset everything else. God damn it. Hmm. Look, I puzzle real good, all right? Puzzle so hard. Come on. Boom. Blue flower. So I was drinking some water. I was doing the hydration. Staying hydrated. All right, found that one. Safe. Oh. I see. All right. I can't go this way. Can't. Hmm. Oops. There we go. Aha. I did it. I figured it out. Okay. This place is a literal fucking maze. All right. Ah. This game has such a great concept. Oh. But I also want to find secret. No secret. Nailed it. No maze can hold me back. Nothing's gonna break my stride. Oh no. Got to keep on moving. Oh, no, we already did this one. We did that one. Yep. This one. Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Wait. No. Oh, wait. Yes, we did. Yeah. Where are you? Come on up there. How do we get up there? Oh no, another milady. Wait. We haven't done this one. Oh. You bitch. There we go. Do you know where I can find blue flowers? I need to get some for the bowerbird. Like how you said you wouldn't actually be singing. You sang more of the stream than the other two. Yeah. I do that. I don't listen to my own things. Blue flowers. I'm surprised the bowerbird doesn't already have some, considering how much of a hoarder he is. Well, I think there's one nearby in this area. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to continue looking for the pretty lady over there. Yes, that's right. I see you over there, you cutie. Just find it funny. No, I get it. That's fine. Yeah. I don't listen to myself. I'm good at guessing. Oh. I did do this one. I just never saw the dude up there. Alright, cool. We're good. I got it. I'm not gonna... Oops. Here we go. Ah, dang it. Hang on. No! Alright, it's timed. Neat. Oh! Oh! I almost got done squished. Okay, we did that one. Oops. Oh, no, we're good. Let's make sure there's no others in this maze. This game is so fucking cute. I know. It's so good. I recommend everybody get it. Minus the whole song difficulty part. It's fantastic. I love it so much. Okay, so there's... Oh, wait. Secret? No, no secret. There's one more flower I'm missing. But how get? How do get flower? If it's up there, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, I was hoping you. Oh wait. I think I know where the other one that I'm missing is. Oh, probably found it. La 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 la. How's that? Hi, do you know where I can find the blue flowers? La 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 la. Do you mind, kid? You're interrupting these fine ladies who are in the middle of admiring me. Oh, okay. La la la. Well, okay, well, I don't want to look like a jerk here, so I'll at least tell you that there's one to the right behind these lovely ladies here. Thank you. Good luck. There it is. Of course, it wouldn't be that fucking easy. I see. Fuck. Oop. Oop. Nope. Verb. I was gonna try and cheat the system. God, he jumped so high. God, I hate this kid. Burp. Stop that. Okay. Nailed it. The symphony is complete. I got an achievement. Probably because I got all the notes. Huzzah. Oh, I didn't want to go up. It's fine. Question is how the fuck do I get back up there? That's kind of a problem. I don't know. I don't know how to get back. I'm stuck. This way, maybe. Oh, not this way. I don't remember how to get back. This way. I think it's this way. Maybe. No. Oh. Yes, it is. Haha, did it. Wait. Egbert. Now then. Finally. Now, here's where I really need your help. We'll need to wake him up with a song. Oh no. I've been told that you're quite the singer. I'll try my best. Fuck. Tess! Welcome to the chaos. Hi Tess, how are you? Welcome to the chaos that is this game. This game's so cute. Yes, it's so good though. Despite the chaos of these songs. Okay. I am holding my breath every time I do these songs. Jesus. Oh. Oh, man. Oh, wait. We're gonna make him hatch? Egbert! We get to see what Egbert looks like. Damn, I didn't do too bad. That was... Egbert! Egbert's hatching! You're what? Egbert! Oh. Oh. He's so cute! Oh my god! Egbert! Egbert! He's a little peacock! Oh no, he's a bowerbird? Whoa. Out. He talks! My head! Where are we? You can talk! Yes, I'm out! I'm out! I'll allow it. I'm finally out of my shell. And you're a bowerbird? Oh, my chick. Is that really you? When my only egg dropped out of the nest that fateful night. Oh my god! I thought I'd never see you again. Oh, what were the chances that you'd land right back here? I do remember falling out of a nest. Next thing I knew, I was surrounded by chickens. Oh, Egbert. I'm never letting you out of my sight again. I don't need the feels before 10:30. Tell me about it. Welcome back. I'm back? I'm a bowerbird. I'm back. I'm back. It's so cute. I'm so happy for you. You've got your family now. Oh. Oh! Egbert? Oh. I think I should give them some time alone. No! My heart! Ah! Oh. Oh, it's too cute. Stop it. Stop. Ah! Also, I need a save point because I need to wrap up. Burb, where are you going? Look at his feet! I don't know. I don't want to impose on you and your family.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Thank you, Tate, for the bits. Oh, Burb. I owe you so much. I wouldn't have found my way back here without you. Are you sure you don't want to stay out here a while longer? I've already stayed here for too long. I'm happy for you. I'm happy you found your home. But I've still got to find mine. Well, it might not be my place to say this now that I found mine, but I think home is more than just physical place. Aw, fuck, I'm gonna cry. Home is wherever your loved ones are. Do you remember when we first met? When you saved me from those bullies in Gallus Palace? And then we went on a grand adventure. First, the crystal corridors, then the freezing point, and then the sparkling shores. Never once did I feel lost. I always felt at home because of you. And for that, thank you. It feels. I hope you find your home. And if you decide to come back here, we'll always welcome you. Thank you, Egbert. I really appreciate all the help you've given me. But you should go back before your dad gets worried. I'll be fine. We'll meet again, I'm sure of it. Well, goodbye, Burb. And then we dance! Fucking Jesus Christ. Who the heck is cutting all these damn onions? I know. Oh, Burb. Oh, man. Let me just grab this feather on my way out. I'm just glad he dances to alleviate some of the feels. Oh, for sure. What now? I don't know where else to go. I can't go back to the owl. There's nobody else I can ask. I'm really all alone now, huh? Ah! Oh. Maybe Egbert's right. There's still some birdie left. I guess there's nowhere else to go. But home. I hope Uncle P's still there. Uncle P! This poor baby, you're never alone, Burbie. Oh, he's sad. No. Baby. No, baby. I know his facial expressions are the best. Uncle P? Burb! Burb! I'm so glad you're okay. I was worried sick. I'm sorry, Uncle P. I'm sorry I left without saying anything. Hush. You don't need to apologize for anything. It's alright. You're here now, and you're safe. That's all that matters. Okay. Thanks, Uncle P. Oh, Burb, your feathers. They're so dirty. Where have you been? Well, everywhere, really. I wasn't sure I really belonged here. So I went all over the forest trying to find a place where I do. But Burb, why didn't you think you belonged here? Well, every day the other pea chicks all stare and laugh. Even the adults glance at me disapprovingly. Why do they look at me like that? Why do I look and sound so different? Even from you, Uncle P. You're not really my uncle, are you? That's not important. It's important to me. You always do this. Do you not care how I feel? Every time I ask you, you never bothered to give me a proper answer. You just brush it away, as if everything I'm experiencing means nothing to you. That's enough. I fed you, I taught you, I gave you a home. It doesn't matter if I'm really your dad or your uncle or anything. I still care about you, all the same. If you care about me, then tell me the truth. Tell me who I really am. Oh, Burb. The truth is, I don't know. I found you while you were still an egg, all alone in a bush on the verge of hatching. I knew it. So you aren't my uncle after all. And I don't belong here. No, Burb. Don't think of it that way. We can... Don't. I need some time alone. Burb. No, wait, Burb. No! Oh. No. Oh, no. Okay. So that's one hell of a cliffhanger to leave it on. But I have to go. I'm sorry. I have to leave it there. In the feels. In the sads. Oh, excuse me. Unfortunately.